Kashidasu is mean lend or loaned. Kashi is from the word kasu. Kasu is mean lend or lend something or loaned. Dasu is mean out or put something out. So when we use together, we can say like Kashidasu is mean lend something out for somebody. I've seen here if in the library we will have the library staff and the student who come to borrow the book. If you are the staff, that means you will be the Kashidasu. This means you will be the person let another people borrow the books, right? So in the case that you can be the person who let another people borrow. So in the case that they use Kashidasu or Kashidashi. This means you see in the picture we have Kashidashi. This means you can rent something at here. For example, 教科書を貸し出した。本を貸し出した。It means I lend out the books or I lend out the textbook. ビデオゲームを貸し出した。